It's Katie Austin here, and I'm so excited because today is my big Strong as a Mother event. As you can see, I'm over 8 months pregnant, so if I'm out of breath when I'm talking or teaching, that is why. And this probably will be my last event for quite some time until baby girl arrives. So I'm so excited. This event is purely for moms, pregnant women entering the new chapter of their life and showing them how strong and powerful they are. We have 105 girls showing up today, which is incredible. We have amazing brand sponsors, cool activations, a DJ, a panel, and I'm so excited to lead you guys all through it. So let's go. All right, Lane made me some eggs and toast. Today we are going for a sunburnt look. We really just wanted to highlight my melasma. So this is actually what she does. This is like the base before the melasma to cover it up. Looking a little prettier than before. And this is why I don't vlog. Alyssa was trying to tell me to go more natural for this workout event, and I said, glam. Because my thing is, if I'm doing my makeup with a professional makeup artist, let's make it look like I got it done. Not my everyday look, honey. Here's the fit, we got our Nobles on. She's huge, but she's so beautiful. On our way to teach a workout class, 8 months pregnant. Let's go. Girls are arriving. They're first getting their sneakers from Noble. So we have a line right here. Then we're gonna go on over to the mats. It's gonna be a fun workout on the beach. And let me tell you, beachfront, blue skies, a breeze, it's not too hot. Wow. I don't know how they're here. I didn't invite them. Here we go. Here we go. Definitely my last workout class before I give birth. Some will be virtually, obviously. I am a little nervous because we have a lot to say in the intro and I don't want to forget anything. Welcome to the Strong as a Mother event. This is really an introduction to the next chapter of my life. The best friends of mine, best friends are moms. But at the same time, now I recognize moms more than ever. And I so appreciate you guys for being here and how hard it can be. And I want you guys to feel strong and to feel seen and how much that you are appreciated and loved. And that's why I'm really doing this event. Let's all stand up and let's get to it. Nice work, let's go! Woo! I'm really excited because I have 3 of my great friends coming up here to do a panel, and I'm really excited to introduce them because I feel like first and foremost, Natasha and I are pregnant together. I don't quite know exactly what to expect out of motherhood, so I'm really excited to introduce my 2 best friends, Carissa and Kristen, who have a 1-year-old and an almost 1-year-old, which is so crazy. And so they have just recently been through it, so any pregnant women here who also want to take advice from them, I'm really excited to hear from them. They are my encyclopedias, and I'm so grateful to have women that have done it before me.
What's the most, this is so motherhood moment that you've had recently? Like, I'm gonna do a really cute photo shoot with my baby because she just turned 1. We drove to this beautiful house in Beverly Hills and we got in a car seat, and something about the new car seat really gets things moving. This is motherhood moments, just the pushing through the crazy blowouts. By the way, I didn't know what was for Kristen. She had her baby last year, and Kristen said, like, I had a blowout. And I said, ooh, how's your hair look? Wait, what about you, Katie? Oh, me? Oh my gosh. For Sports Illustrated swimsuit launch, I was dancing. Like, I love to dance. I love to, like, party and have a lot of fun and you know, drop it really low. And I tried to drop it really low, and I did have to go to pelvic floor PT afterwards and had absolutely insane coccyx pain, which is the tailbone, and I thought I broke it. And it was about a 4-week journey to recover, and that was really fun and really taught me my body is not the same.
It's okay to mourn your past self. Embracing the next chapter is going to be really exciting, and also everything is temporary. Like, I had a really horrific first trimester. I was fully depressed and I thought I would never feel like myself again, and it was temporary. And now when someone asks me, how's your pregnancy, I'm like, it is amazing. I fully forgot.
Also, oh my gosh, this crazy thing when they just hand you the baby after you give birth and they're like, okay, feed it every 2 hours, have fun.
They really leave you
like,
right after.
It's insane. But just all of that, it's so messy and chaotic, and you're going through the trenches and you're figuring it out, but you figure it out. And I feel like you build so much confidence when you figure it out.
And for Katie, being able to break it down. All you other pregnant women breaking it down out there during that workout.
Breaking it down. We can't go as low as we used to.
She had her baby within an hour and didn't make it to the hospital.
I delivered her in the tub first, and not the tub. My doula has been a part of like 45 births. She's like, I've only had that happen once.
Oh my gosh. I needed that. That is a wrap on the Strongest Mother event here in Santa Monica. I need to eat a bagel and a smoothie. And thank you guys so much for following along. I love you.